I heard you've been exploring different AI tools. Have you tried Claude yet?
I've heard the name, but honestly, I'm not sure what makes it different from ChatGPT or the other AI assistants out there. Isn't it all basically the same technology?
That's what a lot of people think. But Claude has some distinct characteristics that make it stand out. It's developed by Anthropic, a company founded by former OpenAI researchers who really prioritized safety and reliability and wanted a more ethical and humane AI process.
Safety and reliability. Now, what does that mean in practical terms?
It means Claude is designed to be more careful, more thoughtful, and especially good at following instructions precisely.
Okay, but what can Claude actually do? I need specifics.
Let me break down Claude's three strongest areas. First, coding. Claude absolutely excels at programming tasks.
What makes it better at coding?
Claude is exceptionally good at understanding complex code structures, debugging errors, and writing clean, well-documented code. Developers often say that Claude's code requires less revision than other AI assistants. It's also great at explaining what the code does in plain language.
That's impressive. What else?
Second, document analysis. Claude can handle massive documents. We're talking hundreds of pages, and analyze them with remarkable accuracy. Upload a 200-page research report, and Claude can summarize it, answer specific questions, or extract key insights.
How does that compare to other AI tools?
Claude's context window is much larger than most competitors. A context window is the number of tokens, which are just words or parts of words. For example, the standard Claude version can handle almost 500 pages, which is a lot of PDF documents. For comparison, most competitors can only handle about 32 to 80 pages.
Wow. And the third strength?
Long-form writing. Claude maintains coherence and style across very long documents. Whether you're writing a detailed business proposal, a technical white paper, or even creative content, Claude keeps the quality consistent throughout. It doesn't lose the thread like some AI assistants do.